Evening, let's welcome Elise Quaite-Randall, Deputy Director at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, our 2019 Legacy Awardee. Elsie is accompanied by PilotCity Representative Eric.
Good evening, everyone. As we know, advanced manufacturing is an important industry here in the Bay Area, particularly here in the East Bay, which is home to more than 100,000 manufacturing jobs. Among the many things that Lawrence Livermore National Lab does to support our region is to house an advanced manufacturing laboratory that's focused on research tracks that will have an impact on advanced manufacturing industry in both the short and the long term. Joining me tonight on stage is Eric Xu. Eric is a PilotCity team member and an alumnus of the 2020 program, where he worked with his team to create health tech solutions for in-home patient care. Currently, he is part of PilotCity content production team that we're seeing tonight, and acts as a mentor for a group of interns in this year's program. He hopes to create and foster a community of creativity and strives to help drive innovation. Over to you, Eric.
Awesome. Thank you so much for that introduction. Now, without further ado, our two finalists in the advanced manufacturing category are, in alphabetical order, CheckerSpot in Alameda and DuPont EKC Technologies in Hayward.
Woo!
Harnessing the power of microalgae, CheckerSpot's wing platform uses biology to create higher performing, more sustainable materials that reduce reliance on fossil fuels. CheckerSpot is not only a materials innovation company that designs performance materials at a molecular level, but is also democratizing its materials and sharing its findings with others and its innovation as well. CheckerSpot does not believe that sustainability should be exclusive. It recognizes that in order to invoke change, it must strengthen the connective tissues throughout our communities, locally and nationally. DuPont Advanced Clean Technologies is a leading global manufacturer of specialty chemicals, enabling high productivity and improved yields for high-volume semiconductor fabrication. With a facility in Hayward, DuPont EKC provides best-in-class solutions for wafer cleaning, surface preparations, liquid and dry film resist removal, post-CMP cleaning, selective etching, and post-etch residue removal. DuPont EKC technology provides solutions that help transform industries and everyday life. And the 2022 Advanced Manufacturing Award goes to DuPont EKC Technology.
So thank you, Elsie. Thank you, Eric. Thank you, Scott. So I'm just going to start off by saying that I guess that not many of you have heard of even DuPont EKC Technologies or been aware of our nearly 50 years of operation in the East Bay. To be selected for this award is a terrific recognition for all the current and many past innovators on our team. As site leader, I'm honored to be representing all of them tonight. So if you haven't heard of EKC Technologies, or in the broader industry, what we're known as advanced cleans technologies, our products are used in multiple steps of the process to make the majority of semiconductor chips produced worldwide today. If you have one of these here tonight, okay, it's highly likely that our factory in Hayward, contributed to making it. And the same